I left the best parts of me here. I'm not looking for a fight. Kraven has the other Spider-Man trapped in an old mansion east of the city. He saved me. Told me to find you. This was the only way I knew how. I owe him my life. And much more. If we hurry...
No. You've done enough.
You should be proud of him. He reminds me of you.
Reminds him of me. He doesn't even know me. Or Miles. A little bit of help, now all of a sudden he's a good guy. As soon as Miles is safe, Lee's going back in a cell. Not now, MJ. Is Spider-Man doing more harm than good? How about now? Now who needs the old Spider-Man? What's so great about the new Spider-Man anyway? He can't even stop some hunters. They destroyed the EMF. Destroyed my life. I'm going to lose May's house because of them and... Kraven.
Kill Kraven.
I wonder if the little spider will survive.
Where is he?
Kill.
Where is Spider-Man?
Find him yourself. Stay focused. Mine.
Relocating. I'll get Tell me where he is!
Closer than you think.
Tell me!
Get down.
Where is Spider-Man?
I'm assured that material is unbreakable. But I believe anything can be broken. You still hold back.
Maybe you lack
Motivation.
Now you're in for it.
glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people!
That was their fate, just as this is ours.
Come! Do not hold back!
My.
Your followers treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out!
So you know then. And you know I will not die in a sick bed. Only an equal may taste my last breath. Rip me apart and parade your achievement in the streets.
Lines?
Observant.
I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you.
I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. So am I. Do not let the taste of power get to your head. Am I too quick for you? Show me what you are capable of! Stop hiding! A dying old man. And yet, here I breathe. Shut up. Come, crush my bones into powder. Leave my body for the maggots and the field mice. Shut up!
Stronger than I thought. That sound! I can't!
Rip him apart.
I'll tear you limb from limb!
Do it, or I will gut you and mount you on my wall.
Come to me! Couldn't fight me yourself? You can't hide from me!
Gorgeous. So many years. I've waited for a predator capable of defeating me.
Enough talking!
And then I found you.
And you'll regret that!
I won't. I will not let God decide my fate!
Get back out here! I'll show you what I can do! Who me?
But you still hold back. Kill or be killed.
Stop!
No.
Sorry about that. I just... It's just me. You almost killed him, man! What are you doing?
You're in the... You're in the way, Miles!
Always in the way.
I could have fixed everything!
How? By strangling him? That's not what we do!
Try to mentor me! You're the one running away from your problems! You're the one hell-bent on revenge!
Revenge? All I wanted was to protect my family! Protect you!
You're not better than me! I need this suit. It makes me a better Spider-Man. You just want it for yourself.
All I want is to save you!
I'm the hero. I don't get sick. Why are you doing this? I made you. You owe me.
I know you don't mean that!
All I wanted was to save everyone. MJ, May. Now the city thinks that... Now the city thinks that I'm the problem.
You think I'm the problem?
But I'm not anymore.
I'm the solution.
I can't let this go. I'm finally everything everyone needs me to be.
Yeah? You don't even answer my calls anymore, man! And what about MJ? You could have killed her! I know you're hurting, Pete, but you're better than this!
I know, but... No.
People of my life, they keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some suit could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not you, not me. Shut up! You've got to be stronger than that. This time, you have to save yourself. I can't! You will. I'm not losing you, Pete. Pete, come on, man. Just focus on me. Come on! I'm stronger than this. You hear me? Come on, let's move. These last few days, Miles, I'm sorry. Thank you for everything.
That's what Spider-Man do.
Spider-Man didn't save me back there. Miles did.
What now?
I have to talk to Dr. Connors. He said he knows how to destroy it.
Wait, what about Harry? Doesn't he kind of need it?
His dad is working on another cure. One that doesn't involve aliens.
You know, if you need me, I'm just a call away. Well, once I let my mom know this, she still has a son.
I know.
Just glad to have you back, man.